Hey guys, welcome back to the channel in another video. And I am back to the channel, another video. I haven't been on YouTube for a little bit because I was in hospital for 2 weeks, maybe a week, I'm not sure, because I actually got very sick and I had to go to the hospital to recover. So we are going to start this video. This pilot found a small tornado, and he was flying dangerously close to it. This plane's landing gear didn't extend. This plane having a very steep approach. This was not to be shot down by enemies. The 737 doing a low pass. The 757 doing a go around. This was caused by traffic. This plane went into a no-fly zone, so this Libyan fighter jet intercepted it. The pilot commanded him to land. This is how low planes have to fly to land at St. Bartholomew. This 787 had a bird strike. This plane's engine failed, so the person got out of the plane to start the engine. This plane and car crashed. The jet blast caused the hangar to flip over. And that is all